for our left engine and magnetos for our right engine. Underneath here we have all of our lights. All right, and then moving over here, we have our fuel pumps here. 1 click up turns it to low, 2 clicks up turns it to high. All right, all the way down is off. We have our AC and blower over here, so if you want to have AC, you can move this to the on position, and it's run off of the left engine. And if you just want the blower on to be able to move some air around in the cabin, you can turn the blower on here. This turns on our heater that's in the nose. And then we've got our gear handle here. Should always be down whenever we're on the ground, right? All right, moving up here, we've got gauges for each engine on either side. Left is left and right is right, as of course. Starting up here, we've got manifold pressure. Then we have RPM. We have fuel flow. We have CHT and EGT as a part of one gauge, just on 2 separate sides. And then we have our oil temperature and oil pressures. Underneath that, we've got our fuel levels. And we've got our ammeter down here. This lets us know our alternator loads. You can see that our alternators are off, so they're sitting at 0. And our bus volts, which you can see here at 28 volts since we're plugged into the GPU. We've got all 3 of our control levers here with the autopilot function underneath. To the left of that, we've got our elevator trim tab. And below that, we have our aileron trim. We have, we have rudder trim, aileron trim, and our cowl flaps. Moving our way back up here, we have our audio panel up here. In order to listen and talk on a COM 1 or COM 2, you can use this knob here. You can see that we're talking and listening to COM 1, and if I move it over, that's going to make us talk and listen to COM 2. All right? If I wanted to talk and listen on COM 1 and listen on COM 2, let's say we're filing an instrument flight plan and we're on with center but need to get our weather, we could stay on COM 1 here, so we're listening and talking on 1, but just listen on COM 2 by pressing that button in there. All right, we have our GNS 530 here that's going to run all of our navigation, and it talks with our G500 MFD and our HSI to give us all of our navigation information. We have our COM 1 here that is controlled by this FMS knob here, so if I wanted to change frequencies, I could move through here and then use the flip-flop button to be able to put it into play with a volume control here.